Stop. Just before the video starts, this channel has a daily giveaway of $100. To participate, all you have to do is like this video, be subscribed to the channel and comment on any of your social media, so we can contact you and give you $100. Good luck. Dogecoin dropped to 22 cents for the first time in 2 months. One of the reasons behind it is how the big whales have been selling hundreds of millions of Doge right now. Hello guys and welcome back to Crypto Globe. Let's take a look at the whales first. One of the whales sold 200 million Doge today, and another sold another 100 million. Then there's also another that sold 100 million. Now I know that there are more reasons for the market crash that we're seeing right now, and these 3-4 whales don't have the power to move the market like that. But the point is that there are a lot of whales that are selling in relatively smaller quantities, and this is creating a lot of fear in the market, and this fear is driving the retail investors out of the market. Now let's take a look at where we stand right now. So Dogecoin is now down to 23 cents, Bitcoin is down to $33,000 and Ethereum is down to around $2,000. Now let's talk about the biggest mistake that these retail investors are making right now. Many articles talks about how 65% of Americans make the same mistake when it comes to cryptocurrencies. It says that most buyers are looking at cryptocurrencies as short-term investments. The best investing strategy is to hold for the long haul. It then talks about an incredibly important example. It says that Bitcoin turned $10,000 of investment into $60,000 in just 5 years. Now you would have made some money if you bought and sold in 2016 itself. But then it would have been nothing compared to your returns if you had held onto it for 5 years. Now of course there's no guarantee that you'll get a positive return by your long-term investing strategy, but still history proves that it's a little better to hold during these times of consolidation. Now let's get back to some other reasons that led to the Dogecoin crash this week. This article talks about how the dropping hash rate in China was one of the biggest reasons behind the crash. It then talks about the death cross which occurs when the 50-day moving average drops below the 200-day, which happened this week, and then another reason was the abrupt fall of the Titan token. If you don't know, Titan is a stable coin that fell to less than $1 from around $60 in a single day. This fall raised the pressure of regulators to deliver more protections for the public. Even Mark Cuban came out and said that stable coins should be regulated, and this news of potential regulations sent some retail investors out of the market. What we've seen with cryptocurrencies in the last 24 hours has been pretty harsh. This week's general trend is downward, and this isn't what we're looking for, and realistically I believe Dogecoin may go to as low as 20 cents, that is where Dogecoin was in April if you remember. But keep in mind that it climbed immediately after that, so I believe we will see some type of comeback sometime soon. Now let's talk a little more about price predictions. In fact, several cryptocurrency specialists like Anthony Trenchov, the co-founder of Nexo, said that the price of Bitcoin will reach $100,000. According to the creator of Plan B, Bitcoin is still on track to reach $135,000 by the end of 2021, and that's his worst-case scenario. Now I'd love to know what you think is going to happen to cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin this week. Do you think they'll continue to fall? Comment below. Thanks for watching till the end. Good luck and happy